This is an outdoor 12-meter diameter multimedia music dancing floating fountain, located in Vietnam. It applies multimedia control system and DMX512 controlled lights, perfectly combines lighting, music and water performance together. It can bring a visual feast to the tourists. This fountain design applies 6 groups of water features in total, including central street spray water feature, street spray water feature, round swing spray water feature, outward street spray water feature, cedar shape spray water feature and peacock's tail shape spray water feature, etc. Customers are very satisfied with our fountain design, installation and after-sales service. Looking forward to our subsequent cooperation.